Hi everybody, I hope you guys are all doing well. I miss you guys so much. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy, and I hope you guys are finding ways to stay busy during this time. I decided to share another activity with all of you today. I noticed that it's been really warm outside and the sun has been shining super bright. So I decided that this would be the perfect time to teach you all how to make some sun catchers. So sun catchers are these little things that we could either hang outside of our houses, outside on the yard. You could even hang them inside of your houses near a window where the light can come through. This would help the sun catcher catch the light. And so if you guys are all ready, we could go ahead and get started. So today we're going to be needing one paper plate. We're going to be needing tissue paper. You could use any color you want. We're going to need one pair of scissors, liquid glue, wax paper, markers, and a hole puncher. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a marker and I'm going to draw a circle right in the middle of my paper plate. We're going to be using this later on. So this is where you all can get very creative with your sun catchers. This is the part where we're going to decorate the outside of our plate. You can use stickers, paint, you could even use markers. Today I'm going to be using markers. I'm just coloring in a pattern all the way around using pink and light blue. So this part might be a little bit tricky, but what we're going to be doing now is we're going to go ahead and cut the circle that we had traced earlier. So what I did was I poked a hole right in the plate, and as you can see, I'm just trying to cut all the way around until I get to the end of the circle. So I cut out a large piece of wax paper and I'm folding it in half because we're going to be cutting out two circles using the white circle that we had cut out from our paper plates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it on top and trace a circle around it. I'm making my circle a little bit bigger, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut around it. After you're done, we should end up with two circles of our wax paper. So the next step is we're going to glue our circle onto our paper plate. So I turn my plate over and put some glue all the way around the circle, and I place my wax paper on top. Right here I'm tapping my fingers all around it so that the glue can stick to the paper well. So here I'm taking out all my tissue paper and we're going to start to cut them. I'm just cutting mine into random shapes. You can cut yours into squares, circles, triangles. There's no right or wrong way of doing this. You just want to get as many random shapes as you can, and you're just going to keep doing this until you run out of tissue paper. Once you're done cutting up all your tissue paper, you're going to get your glue and place some in the middle of your plate where the wax paper is. And what I'm doing is I'm placing my tissue paper on top. You can use any colors you want. I'm just putting random colors inside of my plate. You're going to want to do this until your whole circle is filled. You want to make sure that all the spaces are filled with tissue paper. If you need to add more glue, go ahead. What I'm doing now is I'm adding glue around the circle that I had put the tissue paper in, and we're going to be using the second circle that we cut out and place it on top. So I forgot to mention that we were going to need some string, and so we're going to use that later, but for now we're going to take our hole puncher and punch a hole on top of our plate, and then using the string I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece and tie a knot around it. I'm going to tie another knot to make sure that it's tight, but this is so that you can hang it either inside or outside of your house. So that was going to be the last step of our activity for today. This is how mine turned out inside of my house. I went ahead and went outside so that you guys can see how it looks like outside in the sun. But other than that, I hope you guys had a lot of fun today. I can't wait to see how all of yours turns out. Hope to see you guys soon.